My name is Fernando Soberon. I'm a technical service manager for SureGain USA, one of the Nutreco companies. 2005, I started my master's at Cornell University, working with the mammary gland of lactating cows, mainly transition period, frequency of milking after parturition. That started just the interest of how the mammary gland develops, and eventually developed into my PhD under Dr. Mike Manambrook at Cornell as well, where we looked at the effects of early life management and nutrition on the long-term performance of that heifer. We were fortunate enough to have a large data set that allowed us to evaluate multiple management and feeding criteria that actually had an influence in their production later in life. The concept of LifeStart is referring to those things that happen really early in the life of an animal and have a later effect or a consistent effect throughout their life. In the case of dairy cows, we're talking about how feeding and management practices actually influence their production 3, 4, 5 years down the road. This is a multi-species effect. It actually has been proven in swine, affecting reproductive performance. It has proven in chicks. It has proven in dogs. It has proven in multiple different animals the fact that certain stimuli really early in life, sometimes it's the first 3 days, sometimes we have about a month post-birth, will actually change the way that the genes are expressed and will actually change the potential of that animal for life. The whole purpose of LifeStart is both to better understand the stimuli and the nutritional factors that affect the long-term performance of animals, so we can better take advantage of this and increase the profitability of our animals. If we go back in history to try to understand where all of this started, the concept of epigenetic was first described in 1940. It was not until 1953 that it was actually described as a non-genetic effect that has permanent consequences in the life or the performance of a given animal or of a given person even. It was in 2008 when a very direct description linked to the mechanism of action was found in pigs, talking about the reproductive development of sows that had consumed colostrum from their mother or not. They actually found the direct mechanism that is affecting gene expression. And that started a whole new wave of research, idea, and interest on the topic of LifeStart. Now we have enough evidence at least 7 different species to know that this is a consistent effect that is needed for the normal development and normal survival of a species, but we can, as producers, take advantage of it, increasing the profitability of the animals.